Just testing my ignition system here. This is just a quick clip of a just standard connection with like a 2600 volt transformer. I lost my small high voltage igniter and the piezo just wasn't hot enough. That was just a feeble little spark in there. So I'm going to try this, but I'm worried some carbon might get in there and block my path. So this may work. I hope that's not in the way of my torch tip though, and I think it is. I have to have that tip aligned in a specific location to get it to work, I mean, and it's just I'm worried it may not have the voltage I need in the event that some carbon would get in between the two ignition points. HHO is explosive as hell. It's just so loud. I don't want the cops showing up. Okay, now that's back out of the way. But I'm worried that isn't going to get the gas in time to avoid an explosion. Anyone who's ever worked with HHO knows what I'm talking about. The stuff is loud as a shotgun. Yeah, that might work. Hard to say. Okay, I'm just testing out ignition systems for this thing, and something rather exciting kind of happened here. I have a 2100 volt transformer somewhere in that area. It may actually be less than that. The capacitors are rated at 2100 volts. And I had these connected in parallel to the system. This is an old cat bank that I had from years ago. I have a video about 5 years old on these. And I'm just connected directly to these two terminals in parallel. And I have my wires coming over here. Now you see I have 3 leads connected. That's just because so much amperage is popping through this ignition system that I wanted to get the full benefit of this lead. So I have 2 leads connected there, and they're both connected to ground, and that's that. We'll try to set my camera up here and show you this crazy ignition system. So loud. I don't have a switch for this yet. Jeez. Now I just blew the porcelain. So much for the lights. Okay, I'm going to need a more robust system for that to work. I think I just pumped a little bit too much energy into it. Pretty cool nonetheless. Oh yeah. My phone sucks. So apparently that was just too much amperage, I think. I bet this thing just got blasting red hot. I should have never left it on that long. I just wanted to get some footage to see what it looked like. So, yeah, I'm going to have to hook up a different terminal and try that again. Okay, I've chopped the porcelain down. Nothing. That's good. Missing point there. Probably not a good idea to be touching the thing the way I just did. I did not just short the capacitors out. Now it's not working. Very touchy with this low voltage. I'm going to have to mess with that terminal. So that's just a very temperamental setup there. Okay, that's a pretty hot. Seems reliable. Nice deal. I think I'm going to go ahead and wire this setup together way better than what we're looking at here. This is just a mess. This is back in my days of haste. So yeah, I think that's pretty good setup. I'll take it. Okay.